Welcome to the KwikReports overview tutorial. Once KwikReports is installed, the first screen you will see is the main menu screen. This you will see on your left-hand side of the video. The Inspect icon in the uppermost left corner will take you to the current inspection that you are working on. For this instance, it is a full home. Let's return to the main menu. The second icon is Past Reports. The Android device stores all the reports you've done within the KwikReports program. We will review this page in more detail in another tutorial. You may return to the menu through the menu button. The Templates icon will take you to the Templates page. Here, you can repopulate any template that you have created within the KwikReports program. The New Order icon. Selecting this will take you to a page where you may enter the data for a new order directly into the Android device. We will review this page in more detail in another tutorial. The download orders will not take you to another page. You simply activate this button when you have received an email that another order is waiting for you in the server to download. These orders are either created online by your clients or within your KwikReports account by your administrative staff. We will select it now and show you a download. This lets you know that the download is now complete. This button takes you to the Help section. We'll go over this page in more detail in another tutorial. Select the menu button to return. This icon is self-explanatory. If you would like to call KwikReports, simply select this button from an Android phone and it will dial our number automatically. The Exit button takes you back to your Android desktop. We will now reselect the Inspect icon to review the rest of the KwikReports Android program. In the Inspection pages, you will see your preview icons and your report menu icons at the top of the page. These icons slide left and right so you can make your selections. In order to see all the icons, we will select all data in our Reports section. Now you will see all your inspection type previews assembled on one page. Additionally, all the menu icons for all your reports are now populated on the top of the page. We will go through these one by one. The menu icon will take you back to the menu page. We will return. The Reports page gives you current inspection information supplied to you when you downloaded the order from the internet, the inspection type, additional comments by the client. This area we use to change our current report type. Once you've completed a report and would like to start a new one, you can select Clear All Data to start a new report. The bottom button is Delete Pictures. A lot of pictures can accumulate within the Android device when doing home inspections. Once an inspector has backed up all his photographic data, he can utilize this one button to remove all pictures from both his Android camera location and the KwikReports software. Return back to the preview screen by selecting the Home button. The next button is Location. This is the inspection information page. We will cover this in another tutorial. Next is your clients. This is where you can review, add, or edit your client information. The Start Inspection button. You will use this page to enter your initial data when starting an inspection. The exterior system page. All the system pages will resemble a checkbox form that you would normally find on a clipboard. Almost all the data that you will record you will find in pre-selected checkboxes and radio buttons. Additionally, you will have opportunities to enter customized data in each section. Once you have completed a system, select the Save to Report button, and then you may simply hit Return to Home. You will find that within the KwikReports program, entering all the system data will be in the same type of format. Entering the roof section, you are presented with Go to Roof Sections or Roof Details. Selecting Go to Roof Sections will take you to a page where you may enter data for multiple roof sections. Once you have finished selecting the data for one roof section and would like to do the next, you save the section data, select the drop-down, and now enter data for the second section, and so on. Once completed, you may return to Roof Home or back to the Home menu. We will return to the Roof Home. The next button, Roof Details, will expand the page so you may enter roof detail data. Here you will find all the roof detail information. We will go over the roof system page in a later tutorial. Interior, again, is much the same as the exterior. Insulation is another familiar format. And again with structure. Return to Home. All of these systems you see we will be covering in their own separate tutorials. Electrical system, we can go to Service. This button will expand and collapse the service. We can also go to Panels. Once our panel data is entered, we can return to Electrical Home, select the Distribution Expand button, and enter the rest of our electrical data. Save to Report, close all, and return to Home. HVAC. You may enter your HVAC data, go to your heating systems. From each system you may go to the other system, in this case cooling, or HVAC home. Cooling systems. Again, the heating system, or return to HVAC home. Or go back to the Home menu. HVAC home, return to the Home menu. Plumbing, this is where you enter your plumbing data, or go to your water heater section. You may have noticed in the top of the heating, cooling, and water heater section, you have noticed a label called Get Label Photo. When you come across a label for one of these items and would like to digitally record it rather than writing out all the data, simply take a photograph of the label and then select Get Photo Label in any one of these systems. All of these buttons will take you to the photo label page. From here, You may return to the home page or Plumbing Home. Plumbing Home, you enter all your data, as you normally would on the other systems. Return to Home. The next icon is for a drywall inspection. This inspection report was built to inspect homes with defective drywall. We will go over this report in more detail in a later tutorial. The Get Photos page. In this page, you select photos to be added to your report utilizing the database. To return to the home page, select Database and Home. The database page. When you create your KwikReports account, you are automatically issued your own customizable 1800 item deficiency database. This database that we issued will be unique to your company. Any changes you make to it will only be available to you or the inspectors you have on your account. We will go over all the details of this page in another tutorial. Select Home to return to the Home menu. The Upload page. The first section of your upload page is your field audit. These buttons are only displayed to systems that have not been saved in this current report that you are working on. The bottom of the page is your upload area. If you are in the All Data mode, as we are now, you will not see a Compile and Send Report button. You must select a report type in order to submit a report. We will do this now. Select your Home button. Go to Report Types. Select a report type. In this instance, it will be Full Home. Set Current Report. And return back to the upload page. You will now see Accept Terms and Conditions, the Terms and Conditions buttons, and the Compile and Send Report data. We will go over this page in more detail in another tutorial. This concludes our overview tutorial of the KwikReports Home Inspection Program on the Android device.